Why do we fall ill? Diseases where microbes are the immediate causes are called acute, infectious, non-infectious, chronic. Correct? Correct answer is infectious. Larynx is called voice box, music box, respiratory organ, none of these. Correct answer is voice box. The disease that affects our lungs is AIDS, rabies, polio, tuberculosis. Correct answer is tuberculosis. Which one of the following is dangerous for individual health? Open drainage, garbage thrown in streets, stagnant water around our living, all of this. Correct answer is all of these. The BCG vaccine is given for the immunity against hepatitis, jaundice, tuberculosis, malaria. Correct answer is tuberculosis. Malaria is caused due to Plasmodium, Vibrio chloride, both A and B, none of these. Correct answer is Plasmodium. Other name of roundworm is Staphylococcus, Trypanosoma, Ascaris lumbricoides, protozoan. Correct answer is Ascaris lumbricoides. Plasmodium is an example of virus, bacteria, protozoa, worm. Correct answer is protozoa. Which one of the following diseases is spread by microbes? High blood pressure, peptic ulcer, sleeping sickness, diabetes. Correct answer is sleeping sickness. Antibiotic work against virus, elephantiasis, bacteria, dengue. Correct answer is bacteria. Which of the following is an airborne disease? Pneumonia, cholera, malaria, jaundice. Correct answer is pneumonia. AIDS is caused by a worm, bacteria, virus, protozoan. Correct answer is virus. Infectious disease spread through air, physical contact, water, all of these. Correct answer is all of these. Who were awarded Nobel Prize for discovering peptic ulcer causing bacteria Helicobacter pylori? Marshall, Leeuwenhoek, Warren, both A and C. Correct answer is both A and C. Which of the following bacteria can cause acne? Spirillum, cocci, Bacillus, Staphylococci. Correct answer is Staphylococci. Which one of the following is not a common disease caused by viruses? Common cold, typhoid, dengue fever, influenza. Correct answer is typhoid. Which of the following is caused by fungi? Skin infection, eczema, cold and cough, loose motion. Correct answer is skin infection. Which of the following is not a viral disease? Common cold, dengue fever, influenza, anthrax. Correct answer is anthrax. The protozoan organism responsible for sleeping sickness is Amoeba, Plasmodium, and Amoeba trypanosoma. Correct answer is trypanosoma. The protozoan organism that causes Kala-Azar is ant amoeba, Leishmania, Ascaris, trypanosoma. Correct answer is Leishmania.